Hello guys, how are you all? Once again, I have brought an amazing broker for all of you. Friends, before going to this broker, I want to say something that were this video complete if you want to get $30 no deposit bonus from this broker. I will tell each and every terms and condition about this broker that how you can get $30 no deposit bonus. So I want to say that were this video complete from start to end. So let's start. This broker's name is Hudson, and this bonus is available for all new traders, and validity date is just only this month. Okay, so go and get bonus from this broker earlier. So let's talk about the little bit information about this broker. Hedsent offers a no deposit bonus to new traders, only new traders, providing a risk-free opportunity to start a live trading with all the top-notch features of a standard account. It means they will give you a standard account, and in that standard account they will give you $30 real money without risking your own money. You can just trade free money and get profit and withdraw that profit. So how you'll get $30 not deposit bonus? You will have to just only register an account, and after that you will have to verify your account, and you will get $30 no deposit bonus. There's no any test or nothing anything. Just you will have to, if you know any strategy or anything, any else strategy you know in forex trading, you can apply that strategy on $30 no deposit bonus accounts, and whatever the profit you get, you can withdraw that. And remember that this $30 notable bonus you will be eligible for 16 days. It means in 16 days you can trade anytime whenever you want. So here one extra thing I want to tell you, if you open any trade, you will have to hold that trade to 2 minutes. Okay, only 2 minutes. And well, last but not least thing I want to tell you, that is uh, what I want to say. That now let's get to this one. Get a free $30 welcome no deposit bonus. Register an account, verify the personal detail, get the bonus of $30 cash out. Yes, available cash out, but bonus you can't withdraw the bonus. Maximum withdraw amount is $30. Yeah, this things I want to tell you. Will have to complete 5 loads on account. You